Hello everyone, so if you want to know how to change the lock screen wallpaper on your Motorola Edge 50 Pro on your home screen, you're to find an empty space and simply hold it. Now you gotta press wallpaper, and here you have quite a choice. You can choose from curated images and preset wallpapers, right? You can choose photos made by AI, or you can set up your custom ones. I'll set up a custom ones, so press My Photos, press Allow All, press Camera, and find what I want to set up, for example, this one. Alright, now you gotta choose where you want to leave it, on your home screen or lock screen. For example, let's leave it on the home screen. Now we can set it home screen or lock screen. I'll choose both. And as you see, our new wallpaper has been set successfully. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.